Hello investors! Welcome to our financial update for March 17, 2025. Let's dive right into it, starting with the stock market. The Indian stock market had a positive session today. The Nifty 50 rose by 0.53%, closing at 22,515.90, while the Sensex increased by 0.49%, ending at 74,190. This uptick was largely driven by strong performances in the financial and pharmaceutical sectors. Notably, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories and Cipla led gains in the Nifty Pharma Index, advancing over 1% during the session. Moving on to corporate news. State Bank of India, the country's largest lender, has postponed its plans to raise $1.7 billion through bond sales due to high bond yields. Despite recent policy rate cuts and liquidity infusions by the central bank, SBI will reassess market conditions in the next financial year starting in April. Maruti Suzuki India announced a price increase of up to 4% across its models, effective April 2025. This decision is due to rising raw material and operational costs. VL Infra Projects Limited secured a Rs 2637 crore contract from Gujarat Urban Development Company Limited. The project involves executing water supply and underground drainage initiatives in Balasanore, Gujarat, over approximately 2 years. Power Grid Corporation of India saw a slight decline in its stock performance today, underperforming the broader market. Now let's talk about gold prices. Gold prices in India saw a decline today. The rate for 24-karat gold decreased by Rs 110 per 10 grams, bringing the price to Rs 89,560. Similarly, 22-karat gold fell by Rs 100 per 10 grams, now priced at Rs 82,100. This drop aligns with global trends, where gold prices have recently surpassed $3,000 per ounce, prompting institutions like UBS to raise their forecasts for the metal. Lastly, let's look at the Indian rupee. The rupee strengthened for the third consecutive session, closing at 86.80 against the US dollar, a 0.2% appreciation for the day. This gain is attributed to dollar sales by exporters and foreign banks, coupled with a weaker US dollar, which is hovering near a 5-month low against major currencies. Additionally, a narrowing trade deficit, which fell to $14.05 billion in February, the lowest since August 2021, has contributed to the rupee's recent strength. In summary, today's financial markets in India showed positive momentum, with both major stock indices closing higher, the rupee appreciating against the dollar, and gold prices experiencing a slight correction. Notable corporate developments include SBI's deferred bond issuance, Maruti Suzuki's planned price hikes, VL Infra Projects' new contract, and Power Grid Corporation's stock performance. Investors, stay informed about these developments and global economic trends as they continue to influence market dynamics. Thank you for tuning in to this financial update.